Many students find it difficult to read a vernier caliper, but in this video, I will take time to explain how to read a vernier caliper without wasting time. Stop it. Let's see. So a vernier caliper is divided into how many scales? Two scales. We have the main scale, which is the scale on top of the vernier scale, main scale. So the vernier scale starts from here and ends at this point. So this is your vernier scale, vernier uh, scale. And the least count on the vernier scale is least count on the vernier scale is 0. Either 0.01 cm or 0.1 millimeter. But this is what you have to know. The vernier scale depends on the main scale. If the main scale is in centimeter, it means that the least count in the vernier scale is going to be 0.1 or 0.01 cm. But if the main scale is in millimeter, it means that the least count is going to be what? 0.1 millimeter. So it means that this division in the vernier scale, when you count them, you have to multiply it by either 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter, depending on the scale or depending on the main scale, whether it is in centimeter, whether it is in millimeter. So let's go. So how to read the main scale? You read the main scale and stop at where the vernier scale start. You read the main scale and stop at where the vernier scale start. This is where the vernier scale start. So this is where you are going to stop your main scale reading. All right. So, but before you can do that, you have to know each of these graduation, what they represent. Then for you to know that, you are going to say 13, this 13 cm minus 12 cm. Minus 12 cm is going to give you 1 cm, right? Then the next thing to do is for you to count the number of graduations between 12 cm and 13 cm. We are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divide this by 10. We are going to have 0.1 cm. So it therefore means that each of this line of this graduation line on the main scale is what? Is 0.1 cm. So this one line is 0.1, 0.2. So this is 12 cm, right? 12.1, 12.2. So it means that main scale reading equals to 12.2 cm. That is the main scale reading, 12.2 cm. Now let's enter the vernier scale. How will you read the vernier scale? The line, the graduation line on the, where the graduation line on the main scale coincide with the graduation line on the vernier scale is where you are going to take the reading. That is, coincide, that means where they are in the same line, where both line meet together. So let's see, if you look at here, you see that we have that this one coincide with this one. So it means that they are on the same line. So you count, this is 5, 6, 7. So after getting 7, you multiply it by the least count. This least count, since the main scale is in centimeter. So it means that your vernier scale reading is going to equals to 7 times the least count, 0.01, and you're going to have what? 0.07 cm. So for you to have the total reading, that is the actual reading, you are going to add the main scale with the vernier scale together to have the actual reading, that is AR actual reading. So you have that 12.2 plus 0.07 is going to give us 12.27 cm as the answer. So this is the answer to this Vernier caliper. So this is the answer. 12.27 cm. That is the answer. Bye bye.